How to log in to Shein app. So if you want to log into your Shein application with your Shein account, then first open up your Shein application. Once you've opened, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right. Tap on that Me, and from here you will have sign in option on the right side of your screen, or you will have sign in or register on the upper left side of your screen. Tap on that, and if you have not created your account, then you can simply go for create, or you can simply enter your email address if you have already created your account, and then tap on continue, or you can also join with Google or Facebook. And once you enter your email, tap on continue, and here you need to enter your password. So if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot your password, which is on the bottom of your password block or the password blank. And if you remember, then simply enter your password and then tap on sign in. And now if you want to enter your mobile number, then you can enter it and then you can verify with your mobile number, or you can simply skip that part. And that's it. That's how you can log into your Shein app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.